midnight scroll when Kim Anana's video exploded onto my screen. She didn't just walk into the frame, she stormed it. The studio lights bent around her like they knew she was the main event. Every stride was a manifesto, a silent scream that said, "This is what power looks like." Her eyes locked with the camera, sharp enough to cut through the noise of every other algorithm-fed clip. She talked about shooting in Miami back alleys at 3 a.m., chasing golden hour in Arizona deserts, where the heat could melt your doubts. I felt the grit in her voice when she described balancing runway chaos with the quiet grind of building her brand. At one point, she paused to adjust a feathered jacket, and the room held its breath. By the final shot, I wasn't just watching a model, I was witnessing a blueprint. Kim didn't drop a video, she dropped a truth bomb. Fashion better keep up. Tana, real name Francine Nyanko Coffee, is a Ghanaian Afrobeat, Afropop, dancehall singer and entrepreneur, known for her stage names Tana and Tana. She gained recognition as a signee under Roughtown Records, contributing to the Ghanaian music scene with her dynamic performances and bold artistic identity. While primarily known for her music career, Tana has also been mentioned in cultural and social media contexts. For example, she was referenced in a Netflix reality show titled Tana, though details about her role in the show are not specified. Her presence on platforms like Instagram highlights her engagement with fans, where she shares glimpses of her personal and professional life.
Mama.
Notably, discussions around her include references to her physical transformation, with some sources mentioning her before and after surgery photos, though such claims are speculative and not officially confirmed. As of recent updates, February 2025, she remains active in creative circles, with mentions in social media posts emphasizing themes of hard work and discipline. However, there is no explicit evidence in the provided sources linking her to fashion modeling. Her primary focus appears to be music and entertainment. If you were referring to a different individual named Tana in the context of modeling, additional clarification may be needed, as the available data centers on her music career.
mama, mada, yeah, dama, dada, I'm alive for you. Uma, mommy, mo, namo, bamoso, amo, mama, mosa, money, tai, mighty, mommy, mighty, oh my, oh, mommy, money, honey, oh, namo, Tina, Mike, Tina, namo, nana, amo, ame, you do it, Motina, mare,